Yeah, Gervonta is what's he doing? Two what's he doing right now? He like 130, 135. That's too small right now. I'm definitely bigger than Gervonta. All right, I remember, bro. Say, John, I remember, brother. I remember. You don't worry. Nigga asked me, do I gamble? Do I shoot dice? Not really. I'm not a gambler, to be honest. Now my wife is, she be hitting. She go to casinos and fuck shit up. Me, we go to casino, I'm watching her, or I'm fucking gonna eat, or I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna drop her ass off at the casino. I don't fuck with that casino shit like that. Dice and all that shit. When it come to casinos, I ain't got no luck. I got luck in life. My life lit as a motherfucker, but as far as that casino shit, that shit ain't for me. I always lose my money in that shit. And I hate losing. People that know me know I fucking hate losing money. And fucking, I love money and I hate losing it, so I'll go to 147. Yeah, I fuck people get asked about you. I fuck with Gervonta. Yeah, I mean, I don't know him or nothing like that, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, dude don't seem like a cooler dude or whatever, but I don't know him personally. You know what I'm saying? Well, you got hit for 2K in the quarantine, huh? Say Gary Russell Jr. ever get a fight with Tank or Santa Cruz? I don't know, man. This boxing shit crazy, bro. And like, what's one of the biggest misconceptions about boxing? It's just like, people think that fighters are scared of other fighters, that they duck them and shit like that. And it's just not like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not. It's fucking, it's so much shit that go on behind the scenes. So many people that make the decisions and stuff. Like, you know, ultimately you the boss, but you got so much fucking, it's too many people that's behind the scenes that really make fights happen. The promoters, the networks, the managers, all that shit, you know. So, and then they make excuses and you be like, I want to fight this person, that, you know, like, it's just, that's how it is. So that's the biggest misconception. People, you don't, like, when you in this fucking boxing ring, I feel like no fighter is scared of the other fighter. Maybe some, I don't know, maybe, but I don't think, you know, I don't think fucking, girl, Vicky talk about she beat me, get the fuck. See, a female say he'll beat me? That's cool, that's my little bro, dog. If it happened, it happened one day. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, like I was saying about the fucking, shout out to Laredo, Texas. But, like I was saying, bro, like fucking, you know, people think other people scared, they ducking, they doing this, and it'd be like, bro, like, you know, realize it's a lot that go on behind the scenes, you know, so it's just not like you can just pick and, oh, I'm gonna fight this person today, I'm gonna fight this person. It ain't like that, bro. It's a lot of politics. That shit is real, you know, so, you know. Do I think Loma hype? No, absolutely not. Loma is the real deal. I definitely believe he is the real deal. What did Devin Haney say? Racist comment. What did he say? Like you too, Vicky. I don't know what Devin said. I saw somebody put some shit on fucking Twitter, but I don't know. Montana, I just worked out, brother. I just finished sweating, dog. I just finished. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why you think I'm at, dog. I'm done. I'm done now. So I'm just, you know, I'm on here bullshitting right now. That's all. But I already done worked out, dog. Oh, Devin Haney said he'll never lose to a white boy. Man, you know a lot of people said that shit before, right? That's not like, you know, like, Devin Haney know how to make noise. Just let y'all know. He know how to fucking make noise. He know how to rile shit up, especially on Twitter and all that. That motherfucker know how to rile shit up. So, but yeah, I mean, but no, a lot of people said that shit. But no, Hopkins said that shit to fucking Joe Kawasaki, Kelly Pavlik, I think. It was everybody. A lot of people say I'll never lose to a white boy. A lot of people say that shit. You know what I'm saying? So, Fuck. That's just how it is. You're right. Like, you're right. If it was the other way around and the white boxer said that shit about I'll never lose to a black man. They actually used to say it. A long time ago, they used to say this shit. You know, now. So, yeah, I mean, it's different now. But, hey, that's the way the world works. It is what it is. All right, cool. Yeah, I got, for me, my number one pound for pound is, yeah, it's definitely Canelo. For real, you gotta look at the resume. You know what I'm saying? You look at people's resumes and shit like that, bro. Like, you look at, it's about who they fought. It's not about their record. It's about their resume. Who they fought, not fucking all the other shit around. So, for me, Canelo pound for pound, number one. Oh, man. What's up, Ellie? You'll give me working. Andrew Bones. Give me working sparring. Say, bro, I'm at the gym. Just let y'all know. Don't be talking. I'm at the gym. What's up, Jeff? Yeah, bro, I'm at the fucking gym, bro. I be at the gym, dog. That's what I do. Yeah, so look, if nigga talking about really sparring, get some work with me. For real. I'm at the gym. And I'm sparring too, so you know, just don't have no fucking coronavirus. Yeah, I know, Ellie. The fucking fight got called. I was gonna be fighting tonight. At least I'm in the gym, bro. I mean, can't fucking, you know. Most famous person in my phone book, who I can actually call, Mark Wahlberg. Call him and stuff. Be talking on the phone with him and shit like that. So, yeah. And like, fucking Peterberg, of course. But yeah, who I call? Say most famous person on my phone. That's a good question. Yeah, I'm always ready. Gotta stay ready. Stay ready. Stay ready. I just finished training by myself. Might get the fuck out of here now. You know, I ain't flying nobody out to fucking spar. Especially, now, I do fly people out to spar and I pay them when it's training camp. But not right now. Fuck, you gotta be in LA. I'm not about to fly no motherfuckers out and do all that shit. That shit stupid. That don't make any sense. It's about to get a little dark, just to let y'all know. He said he lost $500 when I fought Taylor. Look, bro, I was in England. I went out right after that, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, like I said, I was in England. I fucking went out after I fought and shit like that, you know. I stayed for a few days. It's a little dark, don't worry. I'm in the dark right now. But I fucking, I stayed for a few days and shit like that. And dude was like, man, I lost 10,000 pounds on you, mate. Man, how you let that white boy beat you, mate? I was like, it is what it is. I was like, man, I thought I won the fight, but, you know, sometimes that shit happen. And he was looking at me, giving me that look like, I want my fucking, he was just looking at me like, man, I want my 10,000 pounds back. I'm like, look, mate, that's you bet. You know what I'm saying? You're right. I thought I won, but hey, he won. You lost it. It is what it is. You know, I can't do nothing about it, brother. Ellie said Crawford Spence who wins. You know, I got Spence. Of course. I got Spence. Yeah, I got Spence, bro. For sure. Hey, look. Jeff, hold on. You said when I get back, I'm saying $100. Bro, you remember I said that shit to you like, I could have sworn I gave you $100, bro, like, nigga, years ago. Years and years ago, bro. So, I think I remember I gave that shit to you, bro. I remember that bet. You said when I get big, I used to work at, people don't know I used to work at LA Fitness and shit like that, you know, for 6 years. And, you know, I told my dog, I was like, you know, when I get big in the boxing shit, you know, I'm going to give you $100. And so he reminded me of it, but I gave it to him. I think I did give it to him. Oh, man. Nigga say Crawford and Spence. I don't think so, bro. I don't know. Yeah, bro, I was a trainer at LA Fitness. You know what I'm saying? Like, dreams come true. That's why I be telling people, like, motherfuckers think I just fucking, like, I just upped and just fucking, like, moved to LA out the blue and fucking, you know what I'm saying? Like, they think that shit just happened. Oh, that shit, it ain't happen like that. Motherfucker, I had to grind. I used to be broke. You could ask people. I used to drive a fucking, when I was, like 19 or something like that, I used to drive a fucking minivan, bro. So, come on, man. Like, I really got out the mud. It's a lot of people that ain't do it like me. I really got out the mud. That's why motherfuckers get, you can, look at that. Oh, who that is? I think that's me. Anyways, fucking, yeah, like I said, bro, I got out the mud, bro. People get, like, for me, people could talk shit about me all fucking day long. But I'm proud of my fucking self. I'm proud of my motherfucking self. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm doing my thing. If ain't nobody else proud of me, I'm proud of my fucking self. Cause I done got out the mud, bro. I done live different, bro. It's a lot of rappers and shit like that. Fucking, a lot of rappers and shit, they talk about they from the hood, they do all this, and they was broke and they all this. Listen, bro, I lived that same life with with children. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I done been to the bottom. I lived at the bottom for a fucking long time. I just fucking got rich. You know what I'm saying? Like a few years ago. So, yeah, bro. I got out the mud. So, motherfuckers say what they want about me. I'm fucking proud of myself, nigga. It's dark again. And I'm signed to Luther Bella. Nigga said, no, I don't drive a minivan no more. I stopped driving a minivan a long time ago. But I did. When I was like I said, when I was like 19 years old. Yes, I drove a minivan. I had a fucking Sebring. What else? I had a minivan, I had a Sebring. I had a old ass Mustang. What else I had? I had a Sport Track truck. Man, I didn't been there. Fuck that is. I didn't fucking, yeah, bro. Like I said, I got out the mud. Motherfuckers say what they want about me, but I'm proud of my fucking self. Oh, man. What age do I want to fight to? It's all about, really the thing is in boxing, it's all about, how much you got, how many fights you got inside you. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be stuttering and slurring and all that type of shit, you know? So I definitely don't want to be doing that type of shit, you know? But it's all about, you know, how many fights you think you got in left. How many fights you think you got left in you, you know? So, I don't know. I can't tell. I can't say, what's the thing? Still trying to hoop. Fuck, no, I don't play basketball no more. I'm fucking sad at basketball. I never was that good, but now I'm fucking sad. I always, how the fucking light just come on? They got ghosts in the gym. Anyways. What I was saying, I don't know. I'm about to get out the gym. Do I think Tank could beat Lopez, Haney? Nah. Stay away from Bud. All right, keep saying it. All right. Hopefully, yeah, I'm still gonna fight Hooker. Hopefully, I mean that's the plan, but you know we don't know yet. The world's in a pandemic, so we don't know. Can I pay some bills? You know, like if people be watching my live and my videos and shit like that, so you see that hemp water? Make sure y'all drink hemp. They call it Tornado in the bottle. You see that? Oh, that's fire, huh? Tornado in the bottle. See that? Whoa. I don't know, Ellie. Hopefully when all this shit gets situated, you know, everything get back fine and situated again, hopefully that's when we're not gonna fight again. We don't know. The promoters don't know. Nobody knows, you know, so I don't know. No telling. The only thing I'm gonna do is stay in shape. You see, I'm in the gym. I do this every day, so we'll see. I don't know. Can't say right now. You know what I'm saying? No, this is not my house gym. This is the real gym. I have a house gym also with a bag and some other shit, but this is the real boxing gym. I started boxing at 17. Yeah, me too, bro. Yeah, I'm fucking, today was supposed to be the fight. But hey, you know, what's my dream fight I want to see? My dream fight I want to see. You talk about history or now? History or now? I don't know. That's a good question, though. I can't answer right now. Man. Yeah, the fans are the biggest loser. Right. So, all right. I'm out. I gotta go. I gotta go drive home. I'll let y'all.